Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, I do content on travel, beauty and lifestyle. If that's something interests you, hit the subscribe button right now. And so in today's video, it is going to be yet another unboxing video which I got from India and is 14 kgs sent by my grandma again. Let's open it. Oof, tough packing. I think there is a bubble wrap. Thermocol. I'm tired already. Nice packing though. Let's open it. You see, there's so many things inside. Wow, I know what this is. So basically I got this courier. I don't know if she sees this, she will feel terrible. You ready? Let's start this package by opening something really special. That is she bought it from Kashi, and this is Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. She had been to Kashi like for 18 or 19 times, and I asked for a special gift for me, and look, she bought this. Wow, there is Nandi and Shivlingam inside. It's a good start. Nice. And next, of course, ghee. And some products of Dot and Key. Another product from Myntra. Products. Some hair accessories. So basically I bought this courier from India at this time because I want some things to get for my graduation, which is going to be in another week. So I thought of getting something really special from India to wear it on my graduation day. I thought I'll only get around 4 or 5 kgs at the start in the beginning, and I have made 14 kgs. I don't know how, but it happened. This is a hair oil from my grandma. She always prepares this hair oil for me. I use it every time whenever I wash my hair, and so this is a special hair oil she prepared with hibiscus leaves, curry leaves, amla, and everything. So if you want a recipe of this hair oil, do let me know in the comment box. I'll ask her and I'll ping it to you. This is cashew chicky. I think you know chicky. So it's basically with the sugar or jaggery, and they just made a sweet out of cashews. It's I mean I cannot describe you. Which was made by my grandma. I love this. Oh my god! Look. Oh my god! This is sununda. I love them, and I did not expect that she's gonna send these many. I thought she's gonna send some 15 or 20, but oh, this is huge. Oh my god, I love it. And this was also prepared by my grandma with ghee. These are some snacks today, some delicious snacks. Oof, my clothes. Oh my clothes. I bought few sarees from India, which I'm gonna show you in a short reel soon. Pickles, of course. I don't know. Of course, we miss pickles in Germany because I always purchase these Priya pickles from Indian store, but I do not like the taste of it because since my childhood I have been eating only homemade pickles made by my grandma, and every pickle or tamarind paste, ghee, and everything I only eat which she prepares. So when I do not have any other option left, I do buy Priya pickles, but I love this more. So she sent me tomato pickle, 1.5 kg. So there was this little incident that happened last time when I got a courier last year. If you haven't watched that video yet, it is right here to check it out. So I bought that courier and I asked her to send only 500 grams of tomato pickle, and I finished it in like 3 months. And since then I have been craving for this tomato pickle, and she yelled at me that why didn't you ask for more? I told I'll send you more, and you said no, 500 grams is totally fine. So she didn't listen to me this time, and she sent me 1.5 kg, literally a huge bag. Tamarind paste. So here in Germany we do not get tamarind paste, we get tamarind or imli paste. What do you say? I don't know. This I'll put the picture here. That paste, which is super tangy and little bit of sweet. It's mixed. I do not like the taste. I have tried using that for like a couple of times, but I did not like the taste. So since then I have been asking her to send this mandatory every time she couriers me. This will be there in the courier for sure. And this is chili powder. You know, I come from a town where chili powder is super famous. I come from Guntur. So chili powder is super famous and is so spicy. So I bought a pack of chili powder and homemade again. Another pickle, this is mango pickle. I know the summer is already done in India, but she prepared it for me. She made it for me. I love this pickle. And I'm not sure about this. I'll open later. This is mango powder. Like you all know about this recipes, tomato rice, lemon rice and everything. This is mango rice and she prepares every time when I visit her. I do love this recipe, but I do not have this mango powder, so I asked her to send some. I'm gonna prepare mango rice soon. And finally, dresses, more dresses, more dresses, more dresses, and more dresses. So basically in this courier I have got so many of Indian clothes like dresses and saris and the jewelry for saris, food, sweets, and of course this special thing. I don't know, this is so special to me and I cannot even describe how much special this means to me. So I mean, so that's it. That's all I have got from India this time. And for all the details about my courier services, I'll ping it in the description box below to check it out. And I've got this courier in like 13 days. 13 days is a good thing, I feel. And so this box I got is for 14 kgs and I have paid around 9,000 some change, approximately 10,000. So which is totally worth it. And I have heard like it costs more than this 10,000 for 14 kg bag. And yeah, totally I have paid like 10,000 for this 14 kg box. And that's it. That's it. I'm gonna open everything and eat, taste, try everything. I have so much of work to do after this video. If you like this video, to give a big thumbs up, to share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Soul 33, and I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, bye.